I think a lot of people are putting onto the marketplace or trying to put onto the marketplace which should properly be belong to their friends and family or community. Here's what I mean. So often I hear people say, I don't want to just be known for one thing. I don't want to be limited. I've got all of these things I do. I have all these interests. I don't want to just be pigeonholed, locked into one thing. But here's the problem with that. On a very good day, if you work very, very hard, you will be known by your community, your marketplace, your people for one thing. That's all you're going to get. Again, that's on a good day. People will know you as a plumber, a baker, a butcher, a candlestick maker. They'll know you for this thing that you do. And that's it. Now your friends and family, they know you for all your histories and hobbies. They know you for all your passions, and peccadillos. They know you for all sorts of levels of depth that you have. But that's your friends and family. And they care about you a lot. And even they can't remember what the hell you do. So by the marketplace, it's an unfair burden. It's unrealistic, unkind perhaps, but certainly just naive at its heart that they are going to care enough to know all these things about you. When you meet somebody for the first time and you get them in your cell phone, you give them a nickname, don't you? Tommy Tacos, right? Jimmy from yoga class. Jane, New Ager. You have names that you give them. That name is the thing that you remember them for. Sometimes for the rest of your life. Every time you see them, that inside joke comes out. Even if it's 20 years later, you're still referencing, hey, have any tacos lately? Yeah. So you get one thing locked in. That's what is going to happen in the marketplace. The only question is it the thing you want to be known for or not? And often it's not. This is where niching comes in and really thinking this through. Martin Shaw, a storyteller from Devon, England, said, if you're not seen by 30 good eyes, you'll want 30 million. If you're not seen by your community, then you're going to try to foist that onto the marketplace and try to be seen in all of your complexity by people on Instagram, by people on your email list. You're going to want them to understand and see because you need to be seen. That's a very human need, but it's misplaced putting that on the marketplace. Let your friends and community understand all your diversity and deviances. But the marketplace, they just need something simple. They just want a plumber, really. They just want a yoga teacher. They want a therapist. That's it. Now, they might, over time, there might be a relationship develops and they might come to understand that you have other sides to you and that you're also a painter and all this. But at the end of the day, when they think of you, they're still probably going to think of one thing. Unless they become friends or family, in which case that may change. But don't burden the marketplace with that prematurely or possibly ever. Save the need to be seen for your close friends. Don't burden people with it in the marketplace, because then you feel bitter that they don't see you. You feel resentful of the marketplace. They didn't ask for this. They didn't ask to be responsible for your sense of substance and solidity in the world, your identity. You see what I'm saying? It makes us resentful of the very people we're trying to reach. And it also confuses them because we keep putting out mixed messages. I do this, but I also do this, I do this. And we are such a small part of their life. It's a very dangerous thing to overestimate your importance in the lives of the people who follow you. I mean, do you think I don't have a whole lot of other things in my life aside from the marketing? There's plenty. I bring it in from time to time as a little garnish. But if I were to try to make an equal proportion of videos and all this, most of you would unsubscribe. You're just not that interested. And nor should you be. You're here because you need help with your marketing and you're interested in an ethical approach to marketing. That's it. So you see how this is kinder. We just understand what our role is in their lives, but that's the question. What's the role that you want to play in their lives? What's the role that you want to be known for in the marketplace? That is the all-important question in marketing. So I think I've beat that one into the ground enough. Thanks so much for tuning in. You can hit the red subscribe button, the bell icon. You'll be notified about future videos. Marketingforhippies.com is my video, and Instagram is where you can follow me for the most part. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks to everyone who shares these videos. Huge help. Take care.